Tutorial number 11, Switching Shutter Modes. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to change the shutter modes of your camera. Depending on your camera model, different shutter modes are available. In the camera menu, you can click on Setup to switch between the available options. After changing the shutter mode, the camera will automatically reboot and reappear with its new settings. Be aware, this can take a few seconds. When rolling shutter is selected, 5 different readout modes are available. Please be aware, if you select single top down with our PCO Edge series, the camera provides only half of the possible maximum frame rate. To identify which shutter modes are available in your specific camera, please check the individual camera manual. Cameras with so-called double shutter mode as an optional feature are often used for particle image velocimetry. For cameras which provide this mode, you can activate the double image in the Camera Properties section. In this mode, pco.camware will automatically split the window and show the correlated images side by side. The first exposure time can be any exposure time of the available range of your camera. The second exposure time can't be directly adjusted as it corresponds to the readout time of image number 1. To achieve an unblurred second image, the environment should be kept dark and the camera is perfectly illuminated with a short light pulse. The double image mode will work only in the trigger mode's auto sequence and external exposure start. Learn all about these settings in our tutorial about triggering. The CDI mode indirectly refers to an additional shutter mode. It records images with increased dynamic range and a 30% better performance on weak signals at the expense of half of the usual frame rate because 2 images are acquired and correlated. This is all about switching shutter modes. Thanks for watching.